Good morning guys, in front of me is Realme C55 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first, open your phone dialer, go to keypad, and that's the place where we can enter secret codes. The first code that I want to share with you is *## *## and this is the calendar info. So if you have any calendars included in your phone, for example Google Calendar, iOS calendar, device's internal storage calendar, all events will be displayed here, so you don't have to remember about everything. You just enter the code and then you can see all upcoming events. So let me go back, that will be all for this one. The second code that I want to show you is *## 426 *##. And here we've got FCM diagnostics. So in this mode you can check events and also status, and if you wish to get some more knowledge, tap on more icon and get advanced view here. So you've got way more details here. Let me go back. And actually the last code that I want to share with you is *# or £6. And as you can see, this one provides you device information, so if you wish to check email, serial, or actually second email number, smoothly enter this code, and here you've got them. Tap on OK, and that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.